Hi, my name is Banovic, and I work for the multimedia staff for the Daily Toreador. Today we're asking questions about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's case. Hi, my name is Sydney, and I'm here with
Daniela Rodriguez.
What year are you?
I am a freshman.
What do you know about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case?
So far that I know of, I've been keeping up, and the latest that I heard is the doctor, I think she's a psychologist, and recently she was speaking about Amber Heard and the PTSD and diagnosed her with two different types of cases. Mainly just said that Amber Heard was exaggerating the PTSD and that Johnny Depp really didn't do anything wrong.
What are your thoughts about the case?
Honestly, I really do believe that Johnny is a good man. Listening and just knowing about his whole entire childhood trauma, which I wish did not come out to the public. I believe that he couldn't harm a fly. He's honestly a really good man. And I feel like Amber Heard, she's just not a really good person. Not at all. That's like the nicest way to put it.
Yeah. Do you think women can be abusers too?
I do believe that. I believe that it can go either way and for any type of person, but I want to believe that in this world that all people are good.
Mm-hmm. Should Johnny Depp be dismissed of his roles? So do you know about how he was dismissed as from do you think he should be?
I don't believe, if in all case it's untrue that he caused this type of harm to Amber, I don't believe that he should be dismissed from his roles, but because of how much controversy this came from in the years past, it's going to catch up, and as unfortunate as it may not be true, it will be dismissed. I just believe that he shouldn't, though, if he didn't do anything.
Do you think so vice versa with her, if it comes out to be true? Do you think she should be dismissed?
I feel like she should be upheld to the same as Johnny Depp did, just because if it's true, I believe that it is, she should be upheld to the same consequences.
What do you see as the outcome of the case?
The outcome of the case, I really hope that Johnny Depp wins and that his name gets cleared for defamation, and that Amber Heard just lives up, she takes the consequences of her actions.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, my name's Sydney, and I'm here with
Josiah.
And where are you from?
Originally I was born in South Africa, but I've now landed in Lubbock, Texas, somehow.
What do you know about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case?
I know that she, in a sense, long story short, she kind of attempted to make it look like she was the one being abused, but in reality, Johnny Depp was the one that was being abused and, being neglected, and she was trying to sit there and make everybody say what was her whenever it was really Johnny Depp that was having to deal with all her crap.
What are your thoughts about the case?
My thoughts on the case, I do appreciate light being shined on. It's not always just, well, sadly, majority of the time it's women who are abused, but there are cases whenever the men are abused and they are wanting what's best and they're wanting to have a proper relationship. But
what do you think about vice versa with Amber Heard, about her losing her roles?
Well, in the sense of them immediately accusing Johnny Depp and siding with her and then him losing his roles, I think it's only fair that once they find out the truth that they should do the same to her and her lose her roles.
What do you think the outcome of the case is going to be?
Personally, I think Johnny Depp's going to win, especially with I was looking the other day actually, and I saw some of the evidence where they had recording of her hitting him, or her opening up and saying that she had hit him several times, and I don't think he's going to have a problem with winning.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Hi, my name is Sydney, and I'm here with
Trinity.
And then what year are you?
I'm a freshman this year.
What do you know about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case?
Well, I've been looking on TikTok and watching all their videos, and I'm seeing his story is slowly coming to truth, and you can tell with her facial expressions how well she's I think she's hiding it very well, but sometimes you can see her crack in it.
What are your thoughts about the case?
I'm actually happy that the case is going on so like he can get justice. I believe that she has been hitting him and like she's been abusive towards him. Because if you look at like his mannerism when he's on the stand and while his like lawyer is trying, like while her lawyer are like repeating himself so much, he doesn't like retaliate. I mean, he says like funny comments, but that's just who he is. So.
Do you think women can be abusers too?
Yes, I do.
Should Johnny Depp be dismissed of his roles? Do you think he should be? Because he was dismissed of like Captain, like all his Disney stuff, you know?
I think that like Disney should have looked more into it. I don't think he should have been like dismissed from it at all. No.
Do you think vice versa with Amber Heard?
Depending on the role, yes. Like I know the Aquaman thing was a huge ideal, and I think she probably should have been dismissed. But the company said they're doing what's best for the movie. So I mean, I don't really.
What do you see as the outcome of this case?
Honestly, I think Amber's gonna lose. I honestly do. So that's.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Hi, my name is Sydney, and I'm here with.
Dean Saxton,
And where are you from?
Phoenix, Arizona.
Do you live in Lubbock currently?
No.
What do you know about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case?
I've kind of seen some of it as it develops. I've been keeping track with the news and kind of seeing the developments as it's been going through.
What are your thoughts about the case?
I think it's interesting. I think that with both of them, seeing them in the case, kind of looking similar, they kind of dress in the same suit, and and I think that it's interesting to see kind of the answer, how there is both sides. There was the Me Too movement, and then now we're seeing how, kind of both sides are going through the same thing.
Do you think women can be abusers too?
Yes.
And why do you think that?
I think that men and women, it's unnatural for a man to be abusive, and it's unnatural for a woman to be abusive. But both do have those tendencies, or they can do those sorts of things.
Do you think Johnny Depp should have got those repercussions like he did?
The three what?
The repercussions?
I don't think it's deserved, but just like in a lot of relationships, it's a hard thing to say, but people are in a relationship and they endure that relationship together. Not that it's deserved, but it's something that both of them went through.
What do you think the outcome of the case will be?
With how everything's going, I think he's going to win.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Sydney, and I'm here with.
Chaz Kennedy,
And where are you from?
Austin, Texas.
What do you know about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case?
So I know she divorced him a couple years ago. It's been a toxic relationship, It's bad on both sides. She lied in court as well. She claimed to use the bathroom in his bed, which I feel is kind of disgusting. And I feel, in our society, people tend to believe the woman, but in this case, she's guilty in my opinion, based on evidence.
And what are your thoughts about the case?
It's just like terrible, and it's like getting a lot of attention for wrong reasons because that's not how a relationship should be, and that's how we're looking up to Johnny Depp for like the Pirates of the Caribbean. But we need to find better role models to look up to as far as relationships and marriages.
Do you think women can be abusers too?
Wait, say again?
Do you think women can be abusers too?
Most definitely.
Should Johnny Depp be dismissed of his roles?
No, he shouldn't.
And why do you think that?
Because he's a good actor. I mean, he made some decisions in his life that are not always great, but ultimately he's a great actor, so he should continue to act.
And what do you think about Amber?
She made terrible decisions, but ultimately, if she wants to be an actress, she should still have the right to do so.
What do you think the outcome of the case will be?
I think it'll be in a hung jury.
Okay, thank you so much.